Who is happy? The crow, swan, parrot, or peacock? The moral story of birds. A crow lived in the forest and was satisfied in life. But one day, Crow saw a swan and thought, "This swan is white, and I am black. This swan must be the happiest bird in the world." Crow expressed his thoughts to the swan. Actually, the swan replied, "I felt that I was the happiest bird around until I saw a parrot, which has two colors. I now think the parrot is the happiest bird in creation." The crow then approached the parrot. The parrot explained, "I lived a joyful life until I saw a peacock. I have only two colors, but the peacock has multiple colors." The crow then visited a peacock in the zoo and saw that hundreds of people had gathered to see him. After the people had left, the crow approached the peacock. "Dear peacock," the crow said, "you look magnificent. Every day thousands of people come to see you. When people see me, they immediately shoo me away. I think you are the happiest bird on the planet." The peacock replied, "I always thought that I was the most beautiful and happy bird on the planet. But because of my beauty, I am entrapped in this zoo. I have examined the zoo very carefully, and I have realized that the crow is the only bird not kept in a cage. So for the past few days, I have thought that if I were a crow, I could happily roam everywhere. That's our problem too. We make unnecessary comparisons with others and become sad. We don't value what God has given us. These all lead to a vicious cycle of unhappiness. Learn to be happy with what you have instead of looking at what you don't have. There will always be someone who will have more or less than you have. The person who is satisfied with what they have is the happiest person in the world.